If you've ever wondered how GOG works, this video will walk you through the whole process step by step in a simple way. GOG is a digital game store where you can search for games, claim free titles, buy games, and install them using GOG Galaxy if you want a library and launcher experience. If this tutorial helps, please hit like, subscribe, and stick around for more easy software and gaming guides. First, open your browser and go to GOG.com. Once the homepage loads, you'll see the storefront where you can browse games, deals, and featured content. To find a specific game, click on the search bar at the top of the page, then type the name of the game you want. GOG will instantly show matching results, making it easy to narrow down exactly what you're looking for. Next, click on the game from the search results. This takes you to the game's store page, where you can see screenshots, details, system requirements, and the purchase options. If the game is free, you'll usually see a Buy Now button or a similar purchase option. Click that button to begin the checkout process. On the checkout page, if the game is free, you'll see a Get for Free option. Click that to add the game to your account. After that, confirm the order and continue through the next screen. Once the free game is claimed, GOG will give you an installation option. Now you can click Install. If you already have GOG Galaxy installed on your computer, you can choose Open in GOG Galaxy. That will launch the app and connect your claimed game directly to your library. If you do not have GOG Galaxy yet, click the option to download GOG Galaxy first and install it on your device. After GOG Galaxy is installed and signed in, go to your owned games section. This is where all the games connected to your account will appear. From there, select the game you just claimed, install it, and wait for the download to finish. Once the installation is complete, you can launch the game and start playing right away. So in simple terms, GOG works like this. You search for a game, open its store page, claim or buy it, then install it through GOG Galaxy or download it directly if that option is available. It's a very straightforward platform, and one of the best parts is that you can manage your owned games in one place. If this video helped you understand how GOG works, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and comment below if you want more gaming platform guides.